Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on this watch. So let's get started. And to turn on our watch we need to press and hold the home button and keep holding it until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. It takes about a few seconds. Once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes another few seconds or a bit more, maybe. I would say about 10 seconds maybe, or 15 or maybe 20. Well, it's longer than expected, I would say. Okay, I'm within the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.